Are you washing the cooker?
Yes, it's blue.
There's a whirl. Is it dirty?
Don't have me on there like this.
This is for him when he's older. Eh?
You having nice now? Shall I give you a drive up? No.
Let me see your hands.
No, you can try it now.
Do you want to watch the cooker at Daddy house? Stinky.
Yes.
Do you want to watch the cooker at Daddy house? Yeah.
It's going to take us clean and locked. Don't be getting me on now.
Oh look. Mum.
Last night you mopped the floor.
Mum.
What? Didn't you? Last night did you mop the floor?
As soon as he sees himself on the camera, he changes it. Go on. Watch the cooker.
No, there.
You missed a
the
bit.
the back there. No, I'll do the back because you can't reach the back.
And
In there. On you
this one?
and this one.
The big one.
Is that done?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to do the floor now?
Yes.
Yes.
Do it the floor.
Gosh, you can come again.
Where?
You can come again. Shall I get you a nice clean one?
Spoons.
Oh, there it is. We were looking for that, weren't we?
The new one.
Is that a new one?
Yes. There's your old and Daddy house old.
Yeah, you can clean Daddy's house, huh?
The washing you cook.
Good job.
Don't think you do it.
Want to do it?
It was there.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Come on.
Oh.
Yeah, come on. Is that red towel? Don't show that to his mother, she'll have a fit.
It's good for him, no?
Watch you don't slip.
Man. You shouldn't be saying stuff when he's on camera. He's going to look back at this when he's older.
Right.
He's going to look at this when he's older. This is for him. He's going to hear you on it saying, don't show that to his mum.
Well, delete that bit.
The naughty.
Yeah. Oh, you got to do before? Oh, don't go into there now.
The washing.
Watch you don't fall. Walk slowly. Nice and clean?
Yes.
Yes. Smell nice? Yeah?
Does that smell nice, honey? Nice?
Yes. It's big. It's little bit.
Is it a little bit big?
Want some more?
Yes. Little bit.
Isn't that too much?
Start with the James.
Oh,
Whoa. Let me get.
look.
Oh. No. Oh.
Look at all the fluff coming out from underneath.
Look, Mummy. Oh.
What are you saying?
Zoom.
What's that mean?
Don't walk on it, Frank.
Okay. Don't walk on a
Zo.
stone.
Zo is so. So we're saying so. Don't do that one.
Right. Oh, you can do it with that without even looking. He's looking that way, waffle that way.
Thought- Oh, that's enough, I think. Say bye-bye to the camera.
It's dirty.
It's
dirty.
looking up to school.
You grassing up, Nanny.